Hi everybody. I just wanted to go ahead and make our first module kind of easy, breaking from that wonderful summer vacation that we've started. Now we need to get back into work mode. So we're going to go ahead and slowly do that by learning about Netiquette today. So the first thing you're going to do is set up all of your accounts, because one thing we do in virtual high school that's different than regular classes is I don't like having you just write essays or do book work or things like that. A lot of times you're making different creations, and there are a lot of different websites that you use, and you do need to have an account for those websites. So what I recommend you do, and when I say recommend I mean require, I just have no way of enforcing it, I just really want to make sure that you do this. Your logon and your password should be the same thing that you use to get into virtual high school. So it should be your first name dot your last name, and then whatever your password is that you use to log on to do your virtual high school work, that should be your logon and password for your different accounts that you set up, because you're going to have a lot, and I don't want you to try to have to remember which account has which password and which username and things like that. So they're all the virtual high school one. And then Netiquette is something, you know how to behave in a classroom, right? You've grown up in the classroom raising your hand when it's time for you to speak and waiting for other people to share their opinions and things like that. Well, the online classroom also has rules, and are not necessarily rules, but etiquette, certain things that you want to follow to make sure that you're being a polite and productive member of the class. And so I want you to learn about what those things are, and then you're going to take what you learn and you're going to choose one of the quote-unquote rules of Netiquette and turn that into a meme. And I love to laugh, so go ahead and make it as funny as you want to, as long as it's accurate. That's all I ask, is that you make sure that it is educationally acceptable. That's my goal. But go ahead and do that. You'll share the address that meme creates with me in the Dropbox, and that's how you'll get your grade for this assignment. There's also a short quiz on Netiquette about how to behave in the classroom. So I look forward to working with you guys. I think this is going to be a really good way for us to kind of lay the ground rules and how we're all going to behave with each other and create a fantastic classroom environment. All right. So you guys, if you need me, you know how to get a hold of me.